Welcome to the Glamour and You channel. My name is Debbie Deb. I am sorry I'm not on camera. How are you guys doing today? I just wanted to dip in right quick just to show you a part of my day. I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope your new year is going good. Happy New Year's. How is everyone? I just hope that everyone is hanging in there. Just once again, focus on you. Try to focus on you this year, and and just clear your mind and clear out your closet. When I say clear out your closet, clear out people that might be hindering you from mentally getting well. You know what I'm saying? So take that time out for yourself, and if you need to get to know yourself again, like I am doing, take that time and do that. It might seem a little selfish, but you gotta save yourself. You gotta save yourself, and if you find yourself heading down like a very dark path, you gotta take time and try to save yourself, because you gotta love yourself.
How y'all feel out there?
I'm light years, call me eons. When the snare kick in, the beat is neon. Lights, yeah, I'm feeling magnificent. Care less what I'm up against. Yeah, you know I stay fresh like peppermint. And I dive head first when I jump in it. I run it back like a champ, won't fumble it. And you ain't gotta ask.
See, you guys are back here at my channel. I'm just showing you just this quick little video. I just finished dedicating myself today, cleaning my brushes. I'm going to show you what I used on them in a minute. These are just a mixture of brushes. I was able to bring some makeup brushes with me when I left Georgia, and they're just different kinds. I have a Jessup. If y'all remember Jessup, I don't know if you can see that. If it's going to focus. Let me see. But Jessup, I have her collection mixed in. These are basically my face brushes here, and then it goes down to my eyelid brushes, and these are some more face brushes as well. So once again, they're just a mixture of brushes. Elf, Jessup, Morphe. Where's some Morphe? Some Morphe brushes in here. Yeah, I just love, things that y'all recommended on YouTube, and I collected these over the years. So yeah, it's just different brands. I think Real Technique is in here. Some Dollar Tree brushes. I love to pick these up. I just picked up one recently from Amazon, but it's not in here because I haven't used it yet. Yeah, just different brushes. I didn't worry about the handle, but yeah, this is another Jessup collection. I don't know if you can see that, if it's focusing. But yeah, my sponges are sponges that I got off of Amazon, my Real Technique. Either I get them off of Amazon or Ulta. I'm loving this particular sponge. I forgot the name of it, but I have really put my Real Technique sponges down and just been using this one. It came as a 2-pack. I'll let you guys know what that one is. I think I'm loving this one over my Real Techniques. I think I'm in love with that one. It's kind of soft. It's soft. I love the way it apply my foundation, because I apply my foundation with my sponges. So I'm loving the way how it applies my foundation and kind of blend out my highlight when I do try to highlight. And like I said, some of these sponges from Amazon, I think I got this one off of Amazon for like $3 or $4. Yeah, and the Real Techniques, I usually buy those in like a 2-pack. And this one, I think I got off of Amazon for like $7, I want to say. I'm not sure. But yeah, so I just finished cleaning all my brushes. They are squeaky clean. They are clean, clean, clean. Why? I know you guys heard of the Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap. I myself, sometimes I look for like a cheaper brand, like a knockoff brand, when I can't afford, the name brand ones. So this one I got from, I want to say Amazon. I got this one from Amazon. It's Earth Essentials Pure Castle Soap, and the scent is peppermint. Now, what I got to say about this soap, this soap texture is thick. You know, it comes out thick, and this is a 32 ounce, and I think I paid probably like $7 or $10, either 10 or less for this particular bottle, which is a nice price for it, because if you know the Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap, 32 ounce can run you about $16 or higher. Okay, so my complaint about this soap, I mean, although the price is decent, the only complaint I have about it, or two complaints I have about it, is that it doesn't, like, you don't see much bubbles like foam. I think the Dr. Bronner's, you see a little more foam to it. Also, I don't smell the peppermint all that much. You know what I'm saying? Although it says peppermint on it, I don't really smell, it's like a slight hint of peppermint. And I don't really get that tingle that I get from the Bronner's brand when I use it in the shower. So I do use this in the shower along with my normal body wash soap, which is Dove Deep Moisture. That's the only kind I use. So I mix these two together, the Dove and this together. I like this, but like I said, those are the two cons, that it doesn't seem to give that much of a foam, and the peppermint fragrance is light. It's like a light scent, and I didn't feel much of a tingle from it when I used it, you know, to clean downstairs. So yeah, that is one. And I recently ran out of that one, so I picked up this one. I ordered some groceries online using Instacart, and I included this Nature's Promise. I don't know why my camera isn't focusing. This Nature Promise Beauty multi-purpose Castle Liquid Peppermint Soap. And it has no parabens and all those big words that you see there. This is a 32 ounce bottle as well. I want to say I paid like I said, less than $10 for it. Once again, it's kind of like a knockoff to the Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap. What I got to say about this one, the flavor, I mean the smell, do I smell it? Yeah, it's a light hint of peppermint. It's a light hint of peppermint once again. I don't experience that much of a tingle. I don't know why my camera isn't focusing. I don't experience that much of a tingle. You know, that menthol feeling, that's what I'm trying to say. And also, the other con about this is it's liquefied. It's very liquefied. You see how loose that is? Like, it should be thick. It shouldn't be runny like this. And I don't like that, because that means I have to use more of this. And so yes, it's going quicker. And I just bought this like a few days ago. So yeah, like a few days ago, and this is how much. And I had used quite a bit on my brushes, because once again, you know, it's liquefied, so it's like, you know, I have to use a lot of it. I like to mix this with my dishwasher liquid. I like to use it in the shower. I like to also, when I make like a concoction, I make a concoction that I you know, spray around my house to clean off countertops and things like that. That concoction, it's probably not the best to tell y'all about, because there's some products mixed in there that I wouldn't recommend. So I do pour a little bit of that in my concoction. And also, what I used to clean my brushes was this. This is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Sulfate Free Moisture and Shine Shampoo. I put a little bit of this in with the water. And I also use this little thing that you guys recommend that here on YouTube as well, with the little suction cup. But I just kind of held mine in my hand. I had like a handful of brushes, and I just like rubbed the brushes on there, the bristles on there to clean them. And boy, could you see all the mud from all the makeup within the brushes. And oh my god, it's like I haven't seen my brushes this clean in years. Years. Look at that. Look at that. So yeah, I'm just like excited. I'm excited to do some makeup when they dry. But yeah, so I use this along with the peppermint soap, the liquefied Nature's Pride, Nature Promises Beauty multi-purpose Castle liquid soap. The Dr. Bronner's one, I used to use that on my toothbrush too, like when I'm cleaning my toothbrushes, or I use it to brush my teeth. So I will pour a little bit on it on my toothbrush and my favorite toothpaste and go in. And yes, my teeth was squeaky clean. Yes, tastes a little bad, but once you mix it with your normal toothpaste, you shouldn't taste it really. But yeah, I'm excited. This sponge, it got clean, you know what I'm saying? I cleaned this so many times and I'm pleased with it, you know what I'm saying? So that's all that matters. So yeah, I just wanted to dip in and show you guys my small makeup brush collection. This is what I saved. This is what I brought with me. So yeah, I just cleaned them today, and once again I used the Nature's Promise Castle soap mixed with the Cream of Nature sulfate free Focus Moisture and Shine Shampoo. So yeah, and don't forget, I got this from Amazon. Once again, I think I said I paid about $4 for it. So yeah, just gonna let that lay out for the rest of the day and let it dry, and yeah, hopefully I'll do some makeup. Well, it was nice talking to you guys today. I just wanted to show you this quick little video of what my brushes look like after I clean them, and my makeup sponges, and I will see you in the next video. I've been trying to upload videos for the longest. Like, I don't know, I've been working on it. I've been cutting, editing videos, and trying to save them, and then all of a sudden once I save it and then return back to it to upload it to YouTube, then I get an error message that the video can't be played. So I don't know what's going on. I'm working on that. I was supposed to then upload some videos. I don't know if those videos will be uploaded by the time I upload this, or will I be able to, I'll probably just include this in another video that I have as well. So like I said, I have a couple of videos, but I'm just working behind the scenes trying to figure out what's going on. So I am here. I am doing better. I'm feeling good today. So I will see you guys soon. Take care. Love yourselves. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe to your girl, you know what I'm saying? And like and comment, you know, leave me a message, ask me questions. That would be helpful too. But once again, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.